Alright, so here's the setup. I actually have the foghorn taped to the bottom portion of the chair, and there's a nail on it actually taped to the top portion of the chair, and I have the lever rigged to where it will not actuate, so the chair goes down no matter what. He's about to sit on it.
That is awesome. Oh my god.
I was so worried it wasn't gonna work.
Holy crap.
Literally.
What is it?
That's a pretty large tooth.
Remember the foghorn thing that we saw? His face is red, look at it.
That scared the crap out of me. Look at all the work he did.
Yeah, you wait until you see on one of the chairs in the break room.
Good stuff.
Wow.
Which is crazy.
That's awesome. It scared me.
Happy birthday.
That is awesome. That is awesome.